Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over 8 of the best apps that you can find on the Mac App Store. Please know that this video specifically targets Intel Mac products, but if you're someone using another platform, keep watching because I need your support and you might find this interesting. Alright, so you're in the situation where you have a brand new MacBook where you're just a web user and haven't downloaded any apps on your computer. Here's what you can do to find some good apps. Every app store has recommendations, and in the Mac App Store you can find clusters such as these. And they have a bunch of apps that show what's new or apps that are trending. I recommend you look through these first and find out if you can see anything interesting. Download one of the apps, test it out, and if you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, then delete it. It's as simple as that. First app that I'm going to talk about is Lightroom. Lightroom is a part of Adobe's Creative Cloud group of apps. If you don't know what that is, search it up. And it's a simple yet powerful tool to edit your photos, whether you're a professional or a beginner. Lightroom is much more comprehensive in editing photos than default computer apps such as Photos. You can use Lightroom to transform your photos from this to this. It has the ability to edit RAW files, use brushes, make HDR photos, and etc. If you're just a regular photographer and would like to make your pictures pop out a bit more, I would highly recommend Lightroom. Just a notice though, the app is only free for 7 days, and after that you have to pay a monthly fee to keep using it. If you can't afford that, then comment down below if you want a comprehensive list of good free photo editing apps. Moving on to app number 2, we have Microsoft Word. A long time and classic text editor, Word has its own benefits when compared to the likes of Google Docs and other text editors. The app is almost the same version that Windows has, with some extra design elements and some Mac-related features. As a student, I use this app a lot, and due to the fact that we're in COVID and everything is online, I need something that I can keep on device, rather than on the cloud, in case of an internet outage or a blackout. There are a bunch of categories in here that make Word much more comprehensive than other text editors, such as the drawing features, a huge list of formatting features, and layout and design elements. The app itself is well known and self-explanatory. It's a must-have for any Mac user, and I highly recommend it. Next we have another app from Microsoft, OneNote. As the name suggests, it's a tool for taking notes. I like the way OneNote looks and the fact that it feels like a literal notebook on your computer. It's quite useful for creating diagrams as it has the feature to draw and for taking quick typed notes. Overall, the app is a great solution for keeping notes related to online work or school life. And if you're a student or someone who jots down stuff, this is the app for you. Next up, we have Microsoft To Do. But before we get into it, I want to talk about these amazing Office apps. If you have any experience with Office apps, you know that they're great, and any of these apps is a must-have on any computer. Now back to business. To Do is an app that helps you make checklists. Whether you use it for work or home, it's a great app for keeping tabs and organizing your day. For number 5, we have Asphalt 8. If you're looking to waste your time, this Mac adaptation of an iPad game will help you. Next app we have is for developers or someone who's looking to build apps. Xcode is Apple's own integrated development environment, which is, in short, IDE, is an application that allows developers to program or develop by providing them with comprehensive facilities to do so. While you can't do this on other IDEs or any other operating system, Xcode allows you to develop apps for Mac, iPad, and the iPhone App Store. Xcode is honestly a breeze to work with and has a lot of features that will provide to the needs of almost any programmer. Next up we have LastPass. LastPass is a password manager that syncs up your usernames and passwords across all your devices. It's super easy to use and has a plethora of features. You can access all the passwords by using your fingerprint in the devices that allow it, and the best part, it's completely free. Lastly, we have an extension, but not really an app. After the whole macOS Big Sur update, Safari on MacBooks honestly became quite usable, and is almost as good as Chrome and doesn't break your computer after opening 2 tabs. If you're using Safari, download the Grammarly extension. Grammarly, I feel, is a really good digital writing assistant and autocorrect software. I've been using Grammarly since the last 2 to 3 years, and it has helped me a lot in correct spelling for essays, emails, and all sorts of stuff. The Pro version is even better. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe. If you didn't, then you know what to do. Comment down below on what I should do next. and I'll see you in the next video.